count out 8 pins and break those off from the rest of the strip. Pinch the strip with needle nose pliers between pin 8 and 9 and gently twist the pliers to break the pins free. You can use a roll of tape to support the header pins in the gShield while you solder them in place. Make sure you heat the pin prior to touching the pin with solder, as the solder will flow to where the heat is concentrated. If you get too much heat or solder and the pins become soldered together, simply touch the soldering iron to the web of solder in between pins, and the heat from the soldering iron will pull away the excess solder.